Okay, morning class. I'm going to continue to explain your worksheet starting with this one. So at question 1 we already discussed in our Zoom call. I'm going to jump right into question number 2. Okay, I've drawn out the question on my paper here so you can see it when I explain. Okay, the first question is that shape with these two rectangles put together, and you can separate it into this bigger rectangle here, 1, and rectangle 2. Okay. They first ask for the area of this total composite shape. Remember that composite shape means a combined shape. So I was going to start with area for 1. Area 1, okay, which is 0.9 meters times by this, times by this width by this length. So it is 0.9 meters times 1 meter, which is equals to 0.9 meter squared. This is area 1. And then area 2 will be this smaller rectangle, which you can see is 0.4 meter by 0.5 meter. So 0.4 meters times 0.5 meter, and you will get, if I'm not wrong, 2, 0.4, whoops, 4 times 0.5, 0.2 meter squared. Okay, now that you have found area for 1 and area for 2, your total area would be area 1 plus area 2, which is 0.9 meters squared plus 0.2 meters squared, 1.1 meter squared. Okay, that is your answer for the area. What about perimeter? Now perimeter would be even easier because you know it's going to be just the outside areas. I'm going to highlight this with a highlighter. It's going to be here, here, only the outside border. That is your perimeter. You will never look at the inside. This is a mistake a lot of people like to make in their exams. They will go and add on the inside area. Please do not do that. Okay, but before you can carry on to calculate, you know that this is 0.4 and this is 0.5. But what is this height? So you need to see on this side, this is 0.9. That means this whole length must also be 0.9. So 0.9 minus this 0.5, you'll get here is also 0.4 meter. And what about the top here? We have 1 meter across because of this, plus this 0.4 meter. So all together, this whole length will be 1.4 meters, because 1 plus 0.4. So here 0.4, here is also 0.4. Alright, that means that my perimeter is equals to 0.9 meter plus 1 meter plus 0.4 meter plus the other 0.4 meter plus 0.5 meters plus 1.4 meter. Okay, let's add it all up. 0.9 plus 1 plus 0.4 plus 0.4 plus 0.5 plus 1.4. Okay, 4.6. So our total perimeter is 4.6 meters, and this is your answer for question number 2. Okay, now let's go to question number 3. Now you can see there's also 2 ways you can cut. You can either cut it this way, 1 and 2, or you can cut it this length, 1 and 2. I am going to prefer to go with this, where I'm cutting it into these 2 shapes, because I know this length is 10 times 2. I already got my area for 1, And here I just need to find this length to find the area of the side. So how do I find the length here? This whole thing is 10 cm, but here is 55 millimeter, which you must convert into cm, will be 5.5 cm. And this 60 millimeters is 6 cm. Okay, so 10 minus 5.5, you will get 4.5 cm. Alright, so now if I want to find the area of 1, area for shape 1 is 2 times 10. So it's very simple. 2 cm times 10 cm equals to 20 cm squared. And then let's look into area for 2, which will be the 6 cm times 4.5 cm. Area 2 is 6 cm times 4.5 cm. Okay, 4.5 times 6, 27 cm squared. So my total area is 20 cm squared plus 27 cm squared equals to 47 cm squared. That is the total area. Remember that area means all the land inside of the perimeter. Okay, now to find the perimeter, I must check, do I have all the sides covered? I have my 2 cm, my 10 cm, and what is this length? So here is 2, here is 6, so here will be 2 plus 6, 8 cm. This whole length is 8 cm. Here's 4.5, here's 6, here's 5.5. So again, I just have to add everything up, starting with my 10 and then 2. Perimeter is 10 cm plus 2 cm plus 5 cm plus 6 cm. 5 cm plus 6 cm plus 4.5 plus 8. 4.5 cm plus 8 cm. Now, always check that you have covered all sides. 10, 2, 10, 2. 5.5. See, I've already made a mistake. So this is where I double check. Even as I'm doing my questions, I will always double check my work to see if I might have missed out something. Okay, 5.5, 6 cm, 4.5, 8 cm. Okay, now I'm going to calculate everything together. 10 plus 2 plus 5.5 plus 6 plus 4.5 plus 8. Okay, 36. So remember, this is a perimeter, so it's just 36 cm, not cm squared. Okay, and lastly, question number 4. Again, here I can see this rectangle. I have the length and the height. And this rectangle, I have this length and this height. So I'm going to split my rectangle like this. Rectangle 1, rectangle 2. Okay, so area for 1 is 1.2 cm times 0.8 cm. 1.2 cm times 0.8 cm yep. 0.96 cm squared, because remember cm times cm. Okay, area 2 is 1 cm times 0.2 cm. 0.2 cm squared. Therefore, my total area of this whole composite shape is going to be 0.96 cm squared plus 0.2 cm squared, 1.16 cm squared. Okay, then I need to find my perimeter. Perimeter, check again all sides. Okay, we have 1 cm, we have 0.2 cm. What is this? So you know this full length is 1.2 cm. Here is 1, that means 1.2 minus 1, you have a balance of 0.2 cm. So here is 0.2 cm, here is also 0.2 cm. This is 0.8. This is 1.2. Okay, now to see what is this length, you must see these two sides. It is 0.8 plus 0.2, which is 1 cm. Okay, so to find my perimeter, add up everything again. 1 cm plus 0.2 cm plus 0.2 cm. 1 cm plus 0.2 cm plus 0.2 cm plus, where did I stop? 0.8, 1.2, 1 plus 0.8 cm plus 1.2 cm plus 1 cm. Okay, double check again. 1 cm, 0.2 cm, 0.2 cm, 0.8 cm, 1.2 cm, and 1 cm, all here. Okay, so if I add up everything in my calculator, 1 plus 0.2 plus 0.2 plus 0.8 plus 1.2 plus 1. Okay, 4.4 cm. So that is it for the first worksheet.